So this one, see, this is the end product. No more handles. So this planter, and we will turn this into a fairy garden. See, it's so dangerous.
Getting loose.
So you have to be careful when you are, well, what do you call that way? Removing the handles. Grinding the handles. It's a metal handle. Okay, so now we're going to paint the planter colored brown. So I'm thinking, oh, this is a nice size for a planter. Good. So we're gonna paint it with brown. Okay, this is the second phase. The first phase is removing the handles. Now we're coloring it. The planter for our fairy garden. So my husband already painted the planter, and then he put an elevation here. So he put a hole, and then he put something there to hold on to it, so that there will be an entrance, an opening here. So there will be 2 levels of the fairy garden. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so we are going to open up the second level of the planter. Now it's time to paint the extension with the same color as the plant.
Extension. Like a house.
Like a house, right? Because it's an elevated 2-story fairy garden. So that will be the same color as the main one, the main planter. Oh, I can't imagine how will it look like when we put the fairies and all the other decorations there. So we will see. I hope you're excited too, just like us. Okay, so the same color as that one. And some of the plants that we're planning to put. This one. What else? I think this one. And I'm thinking about this one. And I have another one that I'm thinking about, which is this. So we will see. Then here are some more. Maybe we can use this one. Probably some of the smaller cactus. And this one probably. Okay, we'll see.
Right.
Okay, so we're already done with the under. So we're going to put the house. So here, we're going to put here.
There's a special guest checking what you're doing. His name is Sip. He's checking. Everything good? Everything good? Sip? You have one? Yep.
We have some rabbits.
Rabbit.
Okay, and then you can put the stone. Like a decorative stone.
Oh, yeah.
Like a pathway to your house. Like a big. Yeah, so as you can see. Okay, so probably we can put